We just got our trophy kokanee. We just came in. Wanted to show you guys how I fillet them and how I use my Fillet Away Fish Mat with my Fish Fighter Products fillet table. This thing's awesome. It goes right on my rail system here and makes my life a lot easier as a guide. Gives me a place to take care of my fish. So here we go. I'll show you how I fillet these fish. Might not be what everybody does, but this is what I do. So here we go. I like to take all the fins off. I do that right off the bat. Get rid of those. Then I come in here behind the head and I cut right around the collars there. That way I don't waste none of this beautiful flesh. Cut that head off like that. We're done with that. I got all the collar out. Come in here, split the gut. Get rid of these guts. We don't need those. I'll come through and I'll take this knife and I'll run it right down through the ribs. And I cut the ribs off. Just like so. Flip that over. Do the same thing on the other side. Flip that over. There's the rib bones. We don't need those. I come through and I'll take these rib bones off. That was the backbone. Split that down like that. Just like so. Got a great fillet there. What a great fillet. That's killer meat. There it is. Fillet Away Fish Mat. Fish Fighter Products fillet board.